Robot tube and plate carbon dioxide protection welding machine disassembly video. Remove the control cable on cabinet.
Remove the cover of motor.
Remove the cable on motor of rotary. Take out the cable from rotary. Install cover back on rotary. Remove the welding machine. Remove the tube on welding machine. Remove SW cable on welding machine. Remove device interface cable on welding machine. Remove wire feeder cable on welding machine. Remove signal cable on robot. Remove another one. Remove wire tube on robot. Remove wire tube on wire feeder. Unscrew out the nut and remove wire pan. Install nut back. Loosen the bolt and remove wire pan holder. Remove the cable on camera. Remove the gum by loosening the bolt. Remove control cable on welding machine.
Pack the camera.